Suppose if the question is substitution, I said a square plus b square equivalent to 67, a plus b equivalent to 23, a plus b equivalent to 23. A and b are natural numbers. A and b are natural numbers. How many values a, b will take which satisfies this equation? A square plus b square equivalent to 67. A plus b equivalent to 23. A, b are natural numbers. How many values a, b will take? There is a reason why I specified this question. Because I used the word substitution. 99.99% of the students who are solving this question, who do not know Anil Nair's way of solving, what they will do is, in our school days it is taught like that. A square plus b square equivalent to 67. A plus b is equivalent to 23. So what they will do is, they will blindly substitute it. B equivalent to 23 minus a. Substitute in the question. A square minus 23 minus a whole square equivalent to 67. They will solve it like this. You try to solve this question by keeping a timer in front of you. Close to 1 to 2 minutes it will solve. First of all, you have to find out the discriminant of a quadratic equation. Then you have to do what is the discriminant greater than 0 equivalent to 0. Complex way of solving. You are not even reading the question. Somebody taught you wherever b is there, convert to a. You are substituting it. You are not reading the question completely. It is given in this question. A and b are natural numbers. A and b are natural numbers. Now see here. When you read the question twice, once you read the question twice, you will get this idea. This is something you should not ignore it. If you ignore it, then probably you will take a lot of time. A square plus b square equivalent to 67. A plus b is equivalent to 23. First thing, if you are a competitive examination aspirant, you should read the question properly. A and b are natural numbers. A and b are natural numbers. If they are natural numbers, can I say that A and b cannot go beyond 9? A and b cannot go beyond 9. If A takes 9, 81 plus positive value. What is 81 plus positive value? It is greater than 81. What is this value given? 67. So 9 square is 81. Square it is greater than 0. It cannot be. It cannot take A and B 9. If it cannot take A and B 9, if I substitute 9 and 9, 18. But what is the value given? 23. Just by looking at a question, within 20 seconds you can answer. No value for A comma B exists. No value for A comma B exists that satisfies this equation. No value for A comma B. Again I am repeating this question. Anil Nair's way of solving it is very logical, very simple, easiest way, fastest way and a best way. I read the question first. A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. It is a square function. It is a square function. If I take these, close it. A square equivalent to 67. A upper limit is 8. It cannot take beyond 8. It cannot take beyond 8. If it is taking more than 8, 9, 81 plus positive value, it cannot be 67. The first thing we noticed is A and B are natural numbers. A and B cannot take beyond 8. Put maximum 8 and 8 on the right hand side. 8 plus 8, 16. But it is 23. It is not possible. This method, it is probably ideal if the right hand side is less than 18. That also there are some better ways are there. That also we will see. I hope it is clear, right? Method 2. One more question. We will solve as many questions as possible. A square plus B square equivalent to 107. A plus B equivalent to 21. One more practice question. A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. How many values A, B will take? A square plus B square equivalent to 107, A plus B equivalent to 21. Because you listen to this class, suddenly your mind will shift to Anil Nair's way of learning. A and B are natural numbers. If A and B are natural numbers, A square plus B square equivalent to 107. Immediately, A and B, let me take it as 29. That also we will do. A and B cannot take beyond 10. Cannot take beyond 10. Because if I take beyond 10, 11 square plus something, 121 plus something, it is greater than 121. So beyond 10, so 10 plus 10, 11 plus 11, 21, 22, it is 29. Answer is no value for A comma B exists. First I will discuss the similar model what I did, then I will create another question. No value for A comma B. I hope the idea it is clear, right? A square plus B square equivalent to 107. First thing, if B square is not there, A square is 107. A value cannot go beyond 10. 11 square is 121. A and B cannot take greater than 10. Greater than 10. So if I take 10 plus 11 plus 11, 22. 29 is greater than 22. What is the answer? No value for A comma B exists. No value for A comma B exists. I hope the idea it is clear. Now another exam model question. A cube plus A square B plus AB square plus B cube plus 1 equivalent to 2002. 2002. A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. How many values A, B will take? This is the question. For you, you will leave this question in the mock paper thinking that it is a difficult question. It is not a difficult question. If you know the approach, it's an easy question. Suppose for this is nothing but A plus B into A square plus B square. One goes right hand side. It is 2001. A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. 2001. Let me factorize it. So this will become A plus B into A square plus B square equivalent to 3 into 667. 2 plus 1 it is 3, so it is divisible by 3. So this will become A plus B into A square plus B square equivalent to 667 factors are 29 into 23. 29 into 23. Now see here. We will get the answer. This is A plus B. It is A square plus B square. If this is 3, this is 29 into 23. Am I right? If I give 3 to A plus B, A square plus B square will take 29 into 23. A and B are natural numbers. Natural number sum is 3. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1. 1 square plus 2 square, 2 square plus 1 square. Not possible. If it is 29, this will be 3 into 23. This will be 3 into 23. Now see here. This is where this concept will be useful. This is where, now see, A square plus B square equivalent to 69. A square plus B square 69. What is the maximum value A and B can take? It cannot take beyond 8. A square plus B square 69. If I take 9, 81 plus something. So if I put both 9 on here, I hope the idea it is clear because we did the sample example. A square plus B square 69. A and B cannot take beyond 8. 9 plus 9, 18. It is 29. This case possible. Not possible. 3 into 29, 23. A square plus B square, 87. A and B cannot take more than 9. 10 square, 100 plus something. 10 plus 10, 20. This case not possible. So what is the answer for this question? No value for A comma B. No value for A comma B. We will start from basics and we will get into the advanced level concept. No value for A comma B exists. Again I am repeating it, sir. First thing what you do is substitution method. Every Tom, Dick and Harry can solve it. But how you can save your time by learning the concepts which you will not find it in probably most of the YouTube channels. A square plus B square is 107. A plus B is 29. A and B are natural numbers. These are natural numbers. A cannot take more than 10. 11 square plus something. 121 plus positive. It is greater than 107. A and B cannot take more than 10. If I take 11 plus 11, 22, it is 29. So it is not possible. Once your fundamentals are clear, most of you are not clearing the examination because your fundamentals might not be clear. 3 questions. Because I used the word substitution in method number 1, I wanted to tell you that probably is not the ideal method. That probably is not the ideal method.